Please get it out.
We're gonna meet each other.
Alaska. Dispatch, emergency medics to George Tower. Rescue our whole business.
Woo! Where'd it go?
Hey, do you want to make... No! Did you get it? Did you get it? From the university, we are disappointed in the result and equally disappointed in the process. We've spent significant effort and resources to help this young man play college basketball in the United States. This is...
Slow down, I won't bump into things.
There they are! Daddy's glasses! Daddy Pig, you were sitting on the...
Take the first pickle. Yeah. I'm not going to run back because she's telling me that she's going to do things.